Confused about adjusting screen brightness with your Spectrum cable box? Here's the key. The Spectrum cable box itself doesn't control screen brightness. Instead, brightness is managed entirely through your TV's settings. Spectrum boxes, like the Cisco RNG200N or Aris XG1, primarily decode the cable signal and send it to your TV. Think of the box as a messenger. It delivers the picture, but your TV decides how bright to display it. So, any attempts to adjust brightness within the Spectrum box menus will only affect things like the guide's appearance, not the actual TV screen's luminosity. This is a very common point of confusion, with 70 to 80% of brightness-related issues stemming from users seeking controls on the box remote, leading to frustration. The fix? Turn your attention to your TV's settings, not the Spectrum box. Now that you know the Spectrum box isn't the answer, here's how to actually change your screen brightness. First, grab your TV remote. Not the Spectrum remote, unless it's programmed as a universal remote. Press the Menu or Settings button. Navigate to the Picture or Display settings. The exact wording varies by TV brand like Samsung, Sony, LG, Vizio, etc. Within those picture settings, you'll find brightness or backlight controls. Use the arrow buttons on your remote to increase or decrease the brightness level. The optimal setting depends on your room's lighting. Darker rooms usually require lower brightness. If your Spectrum remote is programmed to control your TV, pressing the TV button and then Menu might give you access to these TV settings indirectly. Alternatively, use your TV manufacturer's app to adjust the settings through the app. Remember, if the screen doesn't seem to change, ensure the correct HDMI input is selected on the TV.